Good day, everyone. Let's just see what I received today. And this is a installation that I'm going to do on my new 2025 Lowrider ST. It is the radius laydown plate from Custom Dynamics. Let me just open this up. Has all the tools here. It looks like some might have nuts and bolts might have fallen out, but everything looks there. And here is the radius laydown plate. Very nice. And what I'll be doing is I'll be installing that on my Lowrider ST. As you can see, the current plate it does stick up, and it uses a 3-bolt system over there. So I'll get the proper tools, loosen this up, loosen up these screws, and remove that plate. Hold on just 1 second. Actually, even though I removed the plate, it's still difficult to access these Phillips head screws. So we're actually gonna need to go under the fender and access the 3 bolts from underneath the fender. And these are also 7/16. I'll get on that. Hold on. Okay, we were able to remove the plate. You see the 3 holes here, and here are the plate pieces. Pretty easy to remove. All we need to do is remove these 3 bolts from underneath the fender. Plate comes right off. Just be careful not to scratch the fender. Hold on 1 second. Okay, let's install the laydown plate. This is a rubber cushion that'll go to protect the fender. And then on top of that, we'll do the laydown plate. We'll install these bolts, and then I'll show what it looks like afterwards. Okay, everyone, here is the finished product. I think that looks much better than the original, where the plate was standing up quite a bit. This lays down the plate a little bit flatter, gives for a more sporty and finished look. Thanks so much for watching. That's my first modification on this bike, and I'll be moving on to others and film each one. Thank you.